Hello everyone, I am Mohammad Khalid and welcome to my YouTube channel Physic-so-Mathematica Techno-Computa. So in this video I am going to show you how to create a new volume. So you need to first do is just left click on my PC, single click, and then right click on my PC, and you will see here manage option. So just click on it. So you will open up a new window of this kind. If you don't have this my computer and this my PC in your desktop, so what you need to do is go to just file explorer. You will be having this, so click on it, and then here you click this PC, the same manage option you can see here. So just single click on it. So either way you can open manage. Once you open a manage, so you can see a disk management option, so single click on it, then you will open up this kind. And one more thing I want to show you is you can see I have two drives right now, so disk C and disk drive D. So if you go here, you can see I have a disk C and disk D. So now if you want to create a new volume, so suppose you want to create from disk D, so just right click on it and you can see here shrink volume option, so single click on it. If at all you want to create a new volume from C drive, so you can just right click on C drive and you can do it. So since I'm doing from D drive, so let me show you how to do next further steps. So now it will ask you to what is the size of the volume you want to create. So suppose I want to create of size 1 GB, so 1 GB is equals to 1024 MB. So let me write 1024 MB and then I'll click on shrink. So as you can see here, 1 GB free space has been allotted from disk drive D. But the thing is, if you go to my computer, there is no new volume. Now here what happened is free space has been allotted from disk D. Partition is been made from disk drive D. So now new volume, in order to create, you need to click on 1 GB, single click, and then right click on it, and you will see the option as new volume. Click on it and then click on next, and here click on next, and it will show you what letter you want to assign for that particular new volume you are creating. So let me name it as K. If you want any specific letter you can put, so let me write it as K now here. And one more thing, if you notice here, since drive C and D has been used, so there is no option of C and D. Since you can see here C and D drive has been used, so no C and drive option is there. So from this particular 24 letters you can choose any. So let me choose now K and click on next. And if you want any name, like any name if you want to put for your new volume, so you can put. So let me write it as my name, Khalid. So once you put your name any if you want, so just click on next and click on finish. So you can see 1023 MB, which means 1 GB has been created, a new volume. Now if you go to your my PC, you can see here new volume has been created. So in this way you can create a new volume. Thank you for watching.